Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Simply Red, and we are going to react to the song If You Don't Know Me By Now. If You Don't Know Me By Now. By
It's the
Simply
first
Red.
time single take honest reaction by both of us. Thank you for your love, support, patience and tolerance in helping us make these single take, unscripted, impromptu, open, honest and sincere reaction videos every single time. We wouldn't be here without your love, support and without you clicking the bell icon and the subscription button or both, and without you supporting us with requests like these over at our Patreon page. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We love you so much. We wouldn't be here without you. Enough said.
Sure.
Let's listen to If You Don't Know Me By Now.
That we've been through, you should understand me like I understand you. Now girl, I know the difference between right and wrong. I ain't gonna do nothing to break up our happy home. Oh, don't get so excited I come home a little late at night, 'cause we only act like children when we argue, fuss and fight. If you don't know me by now, if you don't know me, you will never, never, never know me. No, you won't. If you don't know me by now, you will never, never, never know me. We all got our own funny moves. I've got mine. Woman, you got yours too. Just trust in me like I trust in you. As long as we've been together, it should be so easy to do. Just get yourself together, or we might as well say goodbye. What good is a love affair when you can't see eye to eye? Oh, if you don't know me by now, if you don't know me, you will never, never, never know me. No, you won't. If you don't know me by now, you will never, never, never know me. If you don't know me by now, you will never, never, never know me.
Wow. Amazing, amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. So pertinent, so interesting, so enlightening. You know, if you don't know me by now, you'll never ever know me. It's what every partner wishes to tell their special someone, their spouse, their
Yeah.
partner. They want to tell them this.
So many
If
years
you don't
and
know
you
me
still
by
don't
now,
know me.
you think I'm out to burn this house down, what we built together. If you don't know me by now, you'll never ever know me by now. You'll never ever know me, basically. Beautifully sung and beautifully backed up by the backup singers or the other members of Simply Red. What a beautiful song. I'm always amazed. Every single day of listening to music on this amazing platform called YouTube, where people like us are allowed to flourish and thrive and shine due to the wonderful YouTube algorithm. So I'm always amazed to get requests such as these, which I've never ever heard before in my life. But it's so relevant, it's so timeless, it's so beautifully crafted and beautifully sung. Oh, I'm just blown away. And it's so relevant. At times, yes, even in the counseling room, very often this kind of scenario creeps up where one partner tells the other partner, if you don't know me by now, what do you know about me? You know, I don't want to hurt you. I don't want to break this relationship. I don't want to burn this house down. I don't want to do this. I don't want to make you cry. It happens. We fight, we curse, we have all these things. What he mentioned
moods.
in the first chorus
Funny
or the
moods.
first part of it. It happens, but that doesn't mean I'm out to break the relationship. It doesn't mean I'm out to kill you, to make you cry. No. So basically, you get my drift. Let's see what Kirti says, my better half.
I like the song. I like this. This is kept very personal, very real. Just like you said, relevant. It sounded very relevant and real to me. The way it was sung, it felt like it is a personal thing that they are singing about. That if you don't know me now, by now, and all of those examples, little things that were shared, it actually happens with almost every single person in a relationship, sometime or the other. Those things keep coming up, and he's just trying to make sure that they are both on the same page. There is trust that is still there between both of them. That if you don't trust me, how is it gonna, how are we going to make it work? Sometimes he comes late and then it's a big deal, or sometimes something goes wrong, not as per this partner or that partner, and it goes wrong. So it should be always that we have a balance of our thoughts and our behavior so that we can work out together. But it is not going to happen if you don't even trust me, don't even know me enough to know what I'm capable of and what I'm not capable of, or how far I can go with certain things.
Yeah, beautifully said, Kirti. Beautifully said. On that note, we'll end this reaction. I love the music in it too. Lest we forget to mention that the music, the vocals, everything was good in this one. Thank you so much. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, subscribers, viewers, patrons, and everyone else that makes this show possible for you to enjoy. At most times, to sit back and enjoy, or be part of our conversation that we have after listening to songs such as these.